We're diving into the world of Arduino to create a battery monitoring system using just a few components. Our main players are the Arduino Uno, an I2C LCD display, and two 12K resistors. That's it. This is the circuit diagram. The magic behind our battery monitoring system lies in the voltage dividing circuit. Let's talk basics. The voltage dividing circuit helps us measure the battery's voltage. How? By strategically placing those two 12K resistors. Now, let's jump into the Arduino setup. We'll code it to read the voltage from the dividing circuit and display it on our I2C LCD screen. With just a few lines of code, we'll turn our Arduino into a smart battery monitor. We'll do a quick test to make sure everything is working as it should. And there you have it, your own battery monitoring system using an Arduino Uno, I2C LCD display, and a couple of resistors. Stay tuned for more exciting projects.